Hi everyone, how are you all doing today? We will start with the same sequence as we did in the previous systems we implemented. Just press New and you will select the template you will work on. There is a detailed template for diesel systems that includes all families and preferences of piping which we will utilize for our work inside this model. You can find that in the Revit library, and then from the template options you will select the diesel template. After selecting it, press Open and then click OK. Following that, we will insert the architecture link. You will need to remove anything inside our model. Simply unpin the elements and then delete them. From the Insert menu, press Link Revit and then you will select the architectural model. Confirm that the setting is Origin to Origin and then just open the file and wait for a second to load our architectural model into our template. Then you will initiate the collaboration process and then use the Copy Monitor function to synchronize the levels and create floor plans that you will work on. Just make sure to select the link of the architectural and structural models to avoid any misalignment. Next, you will provide and activate a section. You will get the template, select the section from the annotation menu, review it, and confirm by clicking OK, and then OK again. Then you will provide a section to display our levels inside the building. You will need to wait for a moment, just a second, for this section to load. After that, you will press the Go to View button. Once you have accessed the view, you can extend your section to display additional levels of the tower, offering a more comprehensive overview of the structure. Then you will press Collaborate from the Collaborate menu and then select Copy Monitor. Next, choose the link and select Architecture Link from the options. After that, click on Copy and Multiple, then select All. From the filter, uncheck all options except for Levels. Once this is done, click Finish and then Finish again. Go to View and Plan View, then Floor Plan, and select just the floors you will work on. We will work on the site layout and then proceed to the first basement. You have the floor plan for the first basement. You will uncheck the bin element in the list. From the visibility settings, you can press Visibility or access it through the View template, where you can select your preferred templates that have all your desired preferences. Then you have spaces that you will work on it for diesel system, for fuel tank and generators. From Annotate you press Tag All and then Room Tag to show room tags inside. So you have a room tag for the fuel tank room and another for the generator room. After that, we will continue in next lecture. Thank you and goodbye.